want to help save animals youth living home. I want to give you three simple steps that make all the difference now and 2026. First, caution constipation. Before buying something made of leather or wood, check if it has sustainable certification. And never ever buying with animals as pets. Second, report it. Did you see illegal trade or deforestation? Use the IBAMA app. Your voice as the protection. Dirt. Sharing information. Where you send this video, you are spreading awareness. Station station is forever, but your help can be now. With of this action, will you start today? Comment below